In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. ClickUp is a powerful all-in-one project management tool designed to help you and your team stay organized, collaborate effectively, and meet deadlines with ease. Whether you're managing a small personal project or coordinating a large team effort, ClickUp provides the flexibility and tools you need to get the job done today. I'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up a project management space in ClickUp so you can get started confidently. To begin, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. If you don't have a ClickUp account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up. The dashboard is your home base where you can see an overview of your spaces, tasks, and projects. If you're brand new to ClickUp, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sidebar and layout. The sidebar is where you'll find all your workspaces, tasks, and tools. It's simple, intuitive, and designed to help you quickly access everything you need. When you're ready to create a new project management area, look for the Create Space button. This is where you'll start setting up a dedicated space to organize your project. Click that button, and you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. For this tutorial, we'll use the project management template. This pre-made framework is designed to give you a solid starting point, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once you've selected the project management template, click Use Template to apply it to your new space. The template will automatically populate your space with a structure that includes task lists, categories, and other key elements that are commonly used in project management. But don't worry, you can customize every aspect of it to suit your needs. Now it's time to personalize the template. Update the project titles to reflect your specific goals. Next, set deadlines to keep everything on track. Then review the task descriptions and adjust them as needed to make sure they're clear and actionable. Finally, assign tasks to your team members so everyone knows what they're responsible for. Don't stop there. Take a moment to modify the template further. You can remove any elements you don't need, add new sections or features that are specific to your project, and tweak the layout until it feels just right. ClickUp is incredibly flexible, so you can make your space as simple or as detailed as you want. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start adding tasks, collaborating with your team, and tracking your progress. Use ClickUp's tools to break down your project into smaller, manageable steps. Assign tasks to team members, set priorities, and monitor completion status. With everything centralized in one place, keeping your project on track has never been easier. And that's it. By following these steps, you've created an organized, personalized project management space in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.